Right, imagine this. You've spent hours putting together the most epic football edit. The plays, fire, the timing, perfect. You're convinced it's gonna go viral. And then, out of nowhere, boom, copyright strike. Talk about a buzzkill. But hold up, what if I told you there's a way to avoid all that? Yep, I've got you covered. Stick around and I'll share some easy hacks to keep your edits copyright free so you can focus on making killer content, not fighting bots. Hey there, today we're diving into the dreaded world of copyright issues, something every football editor fears. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to keep your channel in the clear. Ready? Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Hide the scoreboards, sponsors, and logos. First up, those scoreboards, sponsor banners, and watermarks. They're basically red flags screaming, "Hey, copyright bots, look here." The fix: blur them out. Here's how you can do it. Grab an editing app like CapCut or a Light Motion. Use the blur tool to cover up scoreboards or logos. Make sure you adjust it so it's totally unrecognizable. Keep the blur consistent throughout the video so nothing sneaks through. It's like putting your footage in disguise. Simple but super effective. Tip number 2. Keep clips short and snappy. Next up, short clips are your best friend. Copyright bots love to flag long, uninterrupted footage, but they're less likely to bother with clips under 5 to 7 seconds. Here's the move. Chop up your video with quick transitions. Add close-ups, slow-mo moments, or reaction shots to keep things fresh. Break up the action so bots can't keep up. Bonus: shorter clips also keep your audience engaged. Win-win. Tip number 3. Talk over the footage. This one's a game changer. Add your own commentary or voiceover to transform the content. When you talk over the footage, you're basically making it your own, and copyright bots don't know what to do with that. What can you say? Explain the play like you're a sports analyst. Break down tactics or call out standout moments. Or just throw in some humor and give your own take on what's happening. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it you. Tip number 4. Remix the audio. Finally, let's talk audio. Bots love to flag the original sounds, like crowd noise or commentary, so switch it up. Here's how to handle it. Mute the original audio entirely. Replace it with royalty-free music or sound effects. YouTube's audio library is a goldmine. Add some custom sounds, like cheering or dramatic beats, to spice things up. With fresh audio, your edits not only dodge bots, but also feel way more personalized. Tip number 5. Combine and conquer. Here's the ultimate trick. Don't just use one tip, combine them all. The more layers of protection you add to your edits, the harder it'll be for copyright bots to flag your work. Here's the game plan. Start by blurring scoreboards, sponsors, and logos to remove any obvious triggers. Keep your edits short and snappy, breaking up footage with quick cuts, slow motion, or reactions. Add a personal touch by talking over the footage. Share your insights, crack a joke, or analyze the play. Swap out or mute the audio with royalty-free tracks or sound effects for that final layer of safety. When you mix these strategies, you're not just avoiding strikes, you're elevating your content. Bots won't stand a chance, and your audience will love the creativity. So remember, blur, cut, talk, and remix. That's your winning formula for stress-free, standout football edits. Now go crush it. But if you can't crush it, comment tutorial if you want me to create a video showing you exactly how.